Dear students, now we will be doing few questions based on perimeter of rectangle. So my first question is, find the perimeter of rectangle. First question is, find the perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth are 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively. So here I have to find the perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth are given. Length is my 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So I can write length is equals to 3 centimeter, breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. Yes, and I know that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Yes, now perimeter is equals to, in place of 2 I will be writing here 2, in place of multiplication sign only. L, what is my L? 3 centimeter, plus sign is there, so I will be putting plus sign. Then I have to write breadth. What is the breadth of a rectangle? 2 centimeter. First of all, I will be solving the bracket. So in place of 2 multiplication sign, 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 5s are 10. So finally, I got the perimeter, that is 10 centimeter. Yes, I hope you understood how to find the perimeter when length and breadth are given. Nothing I have done, simply I have put their values. First I will be solving the bracket and then I will be multiplying to find the perimeter of the given rectangle. Fine. Now see one more question. Second question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. The breadth of rectangle is 9 centimeter. What is its length? So once again I will be reading the question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. The breadth of rectangle is 9 centimeter. What is its length? So here perimeter is given. So I will be writing perimeter. How much is the perimeter of a rectangle? 30 centimeter. Breadth is also given. How much? 9 centimeter. Length I have to find, so I will be putting here question mark. Now, you all know that perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Yes. So what I will be doing here? Simply I will be putting the values. Perimeter is how much? 30 centimeters. So in place of perimeter, simply I will be writing here 30. Is equals to, so is equals to 2 I will write, into. Now bracket, what is my length? Length I have to find, so I will be writing here L only. Now breadth, what is my breadth? 9. So I will be writing here 9. Now how to solve it? Listen carefully beta. This 2 is having the sign of multiplication. Yes. And this 2 is in my right hand side. I have to bring this 2 in my left hand side so that I can solve it. Now if I will bring this 2 in my left hand side, its sign will be changed. Here I am multiplying with 2 in my right hand side. When I will bring it in my left hand side, I will be dividing 30 with 2. That is, sign of this 2 will be changed. Here the sign of 2 is multiplication. When I will bring this 2 in my left hand side, its sign will be changed. This you have to remember. That is 30 divided by 2. Here it is having the multiplication sign. See, here its sign I have changed. Then simply is equals to L plus 9. Okay, now you can divide this 30 with 2 in your rough. You all know how to divide. So I can write here 15 is equals to L plus 9. Again, this 9 is having the sign of addition, plus sign. Yes, and when I will bring this 9 from right hand side to my left hand side, its sign will be changed. That is, it is having the sign of addition. When I will bring it in my left hand side, its sign will be changed. That is, it will be having the sign of subtraction. Yes, so here I can write, see I am rubbing here so that you will be able to see. I am writing here. See, 15 is equals to L plus 9. So I have to bring this 9 from my right hand side to left hand side. So its sign will be changed. Here it is having the sign of addition. See, here I have written the sign of subtraction, that is minus, is equals to L. 15 minus 9, 6 is equals to L. So length is how much? 6 centimeter. You understood how to find the length or breadth, whatever is asked, when perimeter of rectangle is given. Perimeter was given to us, that is 30, and length I need to find. Breadth was also given. What I have done, simple calculation, that is I have brought this 2 from my right hand side to my left hand side. Its sign has changed. I have solved, I got 15. Again I have brought this 9 from my right hand side to left hand side. Again its sign will be changed. Subtracted, I have done subtraction here and I got the answer, that is length is equals to 6 centimeter. I hope you understood. Thank you.